Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss some important questions and answers of the chapter Women and Work. Question number 1. Discuss the present scenario of women and work in our country. Answer is, today we find many women at work, but men and women do not participate equally in the labor market. Around the world, only 47% women of working age participate in the labor market. The common idea that women are meant for chula chowk, that is household work, deep-rooted customs, traditions, discriminatory practices, burden of family, prevent women from acquiring skills and participating in employment market. Till date, higher education in competitive fields of STEM, that is science, technology, engineering and mathematics, is a male-based term, and the presence of women is negligible. A majority of women living in rural areas are engaged in household activities. The majority of women are engaged in low-quality jobs compared to men. They are paid less in comparison to their male counterparts. The labor market in the country is biased in favor of men. Women face safety issues at the workplace. Carrying the dual burdens of work and family makes life extremely difficult for them. India ranks 149th in economic participation and opportunity it offers to women. Question number 2. Women's work is called the invisible hand. Explain. Answer is, women do a lot of work. They play a vital role in society. They contribute significantly to dairy production, to agricultural production, livestock management, to food chain supply, handloom and handicraft sectors. But their contribution goes unrecognized because their labor is unpaid. This unpaid work by women makes their contribution invisible in the work scenario. This raises the issue of their dignity. Unpaid work also signifies gender inequality in family and society. Question number 3. What is ACWA? Answer is, ACWA stands for Self-Employed Women's Association. A national trade union was registered in 1972. It was established by Ella R. Bhatt in Ahmedabad, Gujarat to give identity, recognition and social protection to the poor, self-employed women workers whose contribution remain hidden. SEWA tries to secure rights for women workers. It operates in 17 states of India. Question number 4. What do you mean by gender stereotyping? Answer is, we have deep-rooted ideas about the capacities and attributes of men and women. We strongly feel that men are suitable for some jobs and women are suitable some other jobs. These shape our mind how we treat women. These are called stereotypes. Many of us have a strong feeling that men are better at handling risk and they are more intelligent than women. Question number 5. Write a short note on glass ceiling in society. Answer is, it is seen that top positions are always reserved for men. Whether it is banking, industries, business, armed force, men occupy the highest positions. Top positions are always associated with 3P, that is power, property and prestige. The process of making it very difficult for women to reach top positions in professional sectors is called glass ceiling. Actually, the barriers are artificial. Women face many challenges in their career, that is, general bias against their capabilities, their role and care as a mother, etc. So, women find it hard to reach top positions in the professional sectors.